Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. But today I'll be doing a video on a tech video basically. So today I'll be talking about why I'm going to be upgrading to Apple's new baseline model iPad. So the current iPad I have right now is an iPad Air. Now my mom's using it and I really wanted to get her something. She's currently using this iPad and this iPad is very slow. And then yesterday I was watching a bunch of tech videos like from The Verge and this other channel, and I heard that Apple in their educational event that they had yesterday, they released a new iPad. And today I went to my local Apple store and I went there and they actually didn't have it. I go from The Verge and this other YouTube channel, they basically said that they're gonna start selling it yesterday, but like the day they announced it at the stores and Apple stores and on the website, but they don't. So I just ordered one and it's gonna be a surprise iPad for my mom. And this is their old one right here. It's really old. My mom bought this for me and my sister to share. It's 5 years old, just keep in mind. When it hits Mother's Day, it's going to be officially 5 years old. My mom deserves a new iPad, so I'm going to be using my hard-earned, saved up money to buy this for her. I ordered a screen protector on Amazon for her, and the case I'm gonna be getting just a smart keyboard because she doesn't really go out the house that much. So yeah, and she works from home. So, and I don't have that much money. I just really wanted to buy my mom something because she deserves it. And this iPad Air is 9.7 inch. The new budget one is 9.7 inch. It's going to be a very big upgrade because the newer one has Touch ID, which probably a lot of people already have, but this iPad doesn't have Touch ID, so you have to enter a password. But yeah.
I might record her reaction, so make sure you guys subscribe and stay tuned.
Okay, so it has an i10 chip when the iPad Air 1 has an A7 chip, I believe, and it has an 8 megapixel front-facing camera, and the old iPad had a 5 megapixel, so it's pretty upgradable, but the FaceTime camera is about the same. Once again, this iPad is pretty old now, and I'll actually be using this and giving my mom the new one because it's still usable, and I don't want to get rid of it. So I'll be using this and I'll be giving my mom the new one, which she deserves. And I just want to talk about it's the best version and why I decided to get my mom the budget one instead of the actual Pro. So the first reason why I decided to get my mom the actual budget version instead of the Pro is because I don't have that much money. That makes sense. I'm just a student. I have to save up over the years. Every time I get money here and there, like a few fives, few dollars here and there, and I saved up over that to get this money, so it's my own hard saved up money, and I don't get allowance. And then another thing is it's a really old iPad, so I just wanted to get her a new one, and I didn't get the Pro because it's more expensive and I obviously can't afford it. And then the Apple Pencil I won't be getting her because she doesn't draw. She's basically going to be like checking emails here and there and just doing like regular browsing, you know what I mean? And watching like a few shows here and there when she has extra time. So she mainly uses her phone, but that's why I decided to get her a budget iPad, if that makes sense, instead. And the word budget means like it's not cheap, but it's cheaper than the actual Pro models, and it's like, I think it's $330 for the base model, and that's basically what I'm getting her. So it's 32 gigabytes, that's enough for her to do the basic stuff that she does. Basically, I just want you guys to tell your parents that you guys appreciate them and everything that they did for you, you know what I mean? And yeah, peace out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.